Hello and welcome. This is Creator Scripts, and today we're bringing you a how-to video on customizing Zoho CRM to enhance user experience. At first glance, Zoho CRM layout might seem adequate. There's nothing inherently wrong with it, but it does come across as rather plain. And if you're planning on integrating Zoho CRM with the myriad of other Zoho applications available, the sheer volume of data can be overwhelming. Imagine being Heidi. She works at After Sports, our demo company, and her primary role is liaising with merchandising companies. These companies produce mugs, apparel, and memorabilia featuring the names of sports celebrities. Heidi's focus is on contacts and transactions. Details like company ownership or its stock ticker symbol. Those are of little interest to her. Yet, the default CRM layout inundates her with such extraneous details. Enter Zoho Canvas. With this tool, we can transform Heidi's interface. She'll see her essential contacts presented in a card format, her active deals listed out, and her quotes neatly displayed with those older than 3 months highlighted in orange. Sales orders due within the month. Those are emphasized in red. Plus, if a customer has any ongoing support tickets, either pre-sales or post-sales, they're presented clearly. All the while, unnecessary details vanish from her view. And the beauty of this, it's not just tailored for Heidi. Each user can have a customized interface that aligns perfectly with their job role, presenting essential information in a clear, appealing manner. Vibrant colors, intuitive icons, organized tab layouts, action buttons, and conditional formatting, all at your disposal. The best part, you can set this up yourself. Our step-by-step how-to video will guide you through the entire process. No need for expert consultants or advanced programming skills, although a touch of graphic design flair might be a bonus. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our Zoho CRM playlist for more insightful videos like this one.